La Rustica Summerville is a premier Italian restaurant located in Summerville, known for its exquisite Italian cuisine. Customers praise both the food and service, highlighting the restaurant's wonderful dining experience. It offers a diverse menu featuring authentic Italian dishes, prepared with high-quality ingredients. The restaurant provides a blend of traditional Italian flavors with a touch of innovation in their recipes. La Rustica's setting in a renovated historic home adds a unique and charming atmosphere to the dining experience.